Good evening. My name is Abir Mozumdar and I will run you through a short profile of the Idea Factory. In fact, we have put up a very detailed presentation of about 100 slides in the application, and but in this video we will be able to share only a very short profile because of the time constraint. The Idea Factory is a strategy training and consulting firm and is being planned and positioned as a think tank that offers innovative ideas and solutions to corporates so that they can offer their best products and services to their customers. In fact, Idea Factory is perhaps the only company in India which is being planned around ideas and strategy and offer strategic solutions to corporates. And we not only work with corporates, but we are working with small startups, medium-sized firms, academic institutes, governments. In fact, any B2B setup we are working with. So we have a large, market to work with, and everybody needs ideas. And on top of that, we are also offering implementation solutions so that these ideas get implemented, and the companies can utilize the ideas offered by us. Therefore, we have a strong role to play in this innovation game, which has started in India about a few years ago, and we hope we are able to offer our services in a very good way. We have a dynamic pricing model, and our prices are as per the pocket size of the companies, because we work with companies of different sizes, and hence we are not steeply priced. Our products vary from, or our services vary from 1 or 2 days of training programs, or even 7 days of training program, or even advisory services ranging from 1 to 3 months, or consulting services ranging from 3 to 6 months. So we offer the whole gamut of services from a short duration to long duration. On top of that, we also offer business research as a product, wherein journals or magazines offer innovative ideas for corporates to implement from. Put together, we are offering a very high value added service to the Indian economy, and we hope we can quicken or accelerate the growth of the Indian economy, and then for the rest of the world. We have a very strong team of 10 people. And towards that, I must introduce myself. My name is Abir Mozumdar. I am a BTech and an MBA from premium institutes in the country, and I worked for about 15 years in the strategy planning in India as well as abroad. And this has inspired me to start a strategy consulting firm. On top of that, I am also a business author. My first book, Thought Leadership in India, has been published in this year, beginning of this year, and has been displayed in the Delhi Book Fair as well as in the Kochi Book Fair. And I also have a startup called the Learning Hall, which offers coaching and tutoring services in the academic space. I am duly supported by 3 senior personnel who are my ex-colleagues and who have worked with me before. They are in the management team. On top of that, I am supported by 6 or 7 young strategy consultants who have been freshly recruited from premium institutes like IIMs, IMI, IIT, and these are people with very high caliber, and I hope that we will be able to, together, we will build this very strong team to offer to the corporates. We are also recruiting currently. Our services, we have done a little bit of market research, and in this market research we have seen corporates are very favorable for our services, and they are looking for someone with experience to guide them towards new projects and interesting ideas, and we hope we are able to support them in due time. Our expectations out of the EWC format is, of course, we want to network with the best across the world. We are also want financial support as strategic investors who invest a faith in us. We would like to be part of the global marketing platform, so that we can market our services, and our IPR services also need to be protected, so that our innovation and ideas can be protected against the corporates. Thank you so much.